Dude, this was fucking rad. Look,
Dude.
Punk Rock Bowling's hard to like every time is fucking badass. Now this was a different.
This just had people fucking crowd surfing on top of each other.
This was gnarly.
This was cool.
The speakers survived. There was just a fucking wall of people.
Yeah, it was a blast. No, this was great.
We had a feeling this was going to be a good show, but I didn't know that was going to happen.
This is not normal for us, but maybe in Germany, in Europe, it's a little different.
You know.
Okay, so we have Sebastian.
Yes.
He's from what band?
I'm in a band, yeah.
Yeah.
He's the best player.
He's the best player.
For what band?
We have Andy,
Andy,
the lead guitar player.
yeah, lead guitar.
Me,
Good
Ivo,
guy.
Evo? Yeah.
for the vocals. I try.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm only.
Where's Marcos?
Marcos is playing games.
Yeah, he's really good. He's making 300 bucks.
He won 300 bucks.
Let him rack it in.
Yeah.
He pays the flights from
And they together by the powers combined, they are High Society.
High Society
Out of
from
Dresden, Germany.
We love these boys.
And then we are just some schmucks.
So it's Jeff down there. Jeff, speak up.
Jeff's down there.
Yeah.
Speak up.
I'm Jeff.
No one in the back can hear you.
Just I'm Jeff.
Name's Jeff.
And my Jeff. I play drums. My name is Shoop.
Shoop. April
The one
Shutman.
and only shoe.
The one, the only, the world-renowned April Shutman. And I'm Dylan. I sing and play guitar for Sniper 66. And yeah, man.
Yeah, we're both missing a member. Yeah.
I finally got him to come to Vegas and play. Ladies and gentlemen, Sniper 66!
Oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
Oxymoron is the best German export we ever did, and it's one of the.
And he's got a little book that says every tour that he's ever fucking done.
That shit was wild as fuck. He could open up a book and see what date he played where, and he has a little note about the bands he played with.
It's amazing.
But, I know you did a new record, but where do you see you in 5 years? So good.
So in 5 years, hopefully we put out a new album and tour more. Like we're just gonna keep doing. Yeah, like,
Maybe together again, States.
oh, absolutely.
I'm being pulled from the left, I'm being pulled from the right, I'm being pulled by every single side, so I was wrong. I will swallow my pride, I'll pick myself back up and continue to fight. We won't take this shit, won't take it anymore. They've had us all for the time that we settle the score. It's time we fight together.
So,
Really?
I didn't play drums. I didn't play drums until fucking 2004 full time. Like I was a lead guitar player. I was a bass player. I played keyboards in a band for a hot second.
Trumpet, trombone now. But
Trumpet, trombone, like. So I was in a 4-piece band, and they fucking the drummer left. Just on a, he didn't tell us. He was living with us and everything, and he fucking left. And then I switched from bass to drums because somebody had to do it. And like I'm kind of like the somebody's got to do it guy. And so here we are.
Hendrix.
Hendrix, easy. Yeah.
Hendrix,
we went
100%.
to his grave and like.
I cried. I wanted to go see Hendrix's grave and I fucking cried.
It was beautiful. I made fun of him on the way there, but he was
And
like,
we
"Don't
missed
make fun of
it.
me when we get there." I was like, "I would."
I'm
never.
so sad that we missed
So I learned to
it.
play guitar, man. Like that dude changed my fucking life.
In the same way that Rory here was inspired in guitar with Jimi Hendrix, I was the same way. Singer songwriter by Kurt Cobain. There's no greater musician than, like, in my eyes, and I still listen to him nonstop. Like there's a million that I fell in love with along the way, but Kurt Cobain. If I could just sit down and watch him play music, I would fucking lose.
I want to sit down and watch him write a song.
Yeah.
I'd say probably The Clash.
Yeah,
I was thinking maybe Step Little Fingers by Clash makes more sense.
Yeah.
We're all over the internet. We've got sniper66.com and
We
you
own
can
that.
like Google it. It's pretty
The
an
SEO
easy
for
Google.
Sniper
The
66 is pretty much
SEO is pretty decent for Sniper.
It's just us. It's us and somebody on Call of Duty.
It's somebody on like shoot 'em up groups, but
It's pretty much just
pretty much
us.
just us.